People's channel. As you can see the write-up, no money, no stock. Then if you're in this category and you're willing to make huge profits and huge money, then start with pre-order. So before I go into details, let me show you some tests. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is not something that I'm just saying. It's something I have gone through and I've made massively from this business. So alright guys, sit tight and enjoy the video. So as you can see, these are payments from my pre-order group. Can you see that? So you can see my name there, Jennifer. So I'm not telling you something that I don't know, all right? I'm saying something that has worked for me, and kindly do so it's also work for you. You can see this is from our pre-order. So just make sure you listen to my details and do likewise, and you'll get even more than. All right guys, let's continue. So as you can see, this is my group, Geneseo Pre-Order group. So you don't think I'm just saying something I don't know or something I've not been doing. This is something I've been doing, and I've been making so many beautiful results. So you see, so this is something I've been doing. And guess what, guys? You can see when I created this group 2023, you can see we are just 1 year, but we've been getting so many massive results. Our last pre-order items that moved out of China was 36 cartons. I'm going to be showing the results right here, so you see that I'm saying this because I've seen results and I want to get likewise results and more than. All right, okay, let me just show you that before I tell you what all this pre-order means. So before I show you that, let's just quickly go through it. Now somebody might ask, what is pre-order? Pre-order simply means, let me just go through it. Pre-order, you see, what is pre-order? Pre-order simply means items that are not readily available here in Nigeria. Yes, so items, maybe for example you want to get items, they are not here in Nigeria, but you are going to come as a group and collectively you get it, all right, at an affordable price. Then you bring it into Nigeria and share. Guess what, guys? You are not using your money, no capital. You're starting this with no capital. Yes, you don't need money to start up this. You don't even need experience to start it up. So all you just need to do is to just build you can just start with friends. Yes, you can start with your family members. I remember the first time we started, we were just 5 members. I'm not kidding. 5 members, my family and friends. And guess what, guys? Look at what we are now. 648 members. Are you not seeing that? And not in just 1 year. Just imagine. So what happened? Once you get these items, you just tell them, look at, and they buy. Once they buy it with their own money, you buy. First of all, if you want to do that in a hurry because you are just starting, I would advise you use air shipping, because air shipping is very fast. So once it comes, you just share it, that one for your family, friends and family. You do a brief video to show them live video. Look at me doing this unboxing video. This will help them trust you. And please, if you're doing this business, you need to have integrity. You need to be trusted. You don't need to, people, it's not easy for someone to give you more their hard-earned money, or for you to and for you not to not start doing anyhow with their money, because these things is a matter of trust. Once you have been trusted, people even recommend. All right, so pre-order business is the new oil well. So if you've not started, my dear, there is always a first time. Go ahead and start. This is how to run it. So we just get started. And if you're still, maybe even if you're not an importer, do you know you can also go into pre-order business? Oh yeah, now go to my comment section, click on it, join my pre-order group. So many members are there pre-ordering and making huge profit. One of my members called me and said, wow, Jen, do you know the last month I made 200,000 from pre-order? I said, wow. And she just started. What was she doing? She will just come to my group, when I post something of 4,000, she can add her 1,000 there, 5,000. And she keep posting and people will buy from her, and she will also bring her list to me and buy. Then when it comes, I'll deliver she's good to go. She delivered to her customers and she's making her cool cash. She even told me that I'm not even interested in importing. Let me be making my cool cash like this. You see? So if you're a sit-at-home mom or a student, wow, this will fetch you cool cash. I'm not kidding. You can make millions with this business. So pre-order is a very good one. So all right. I don't want this video to be too long. Let me just show you the last item that just arrived. So next video, I'm going to be telling you the do's and don'ts on pre-order. All right. So please make sure and again how to run a successful pre-order bulk group. Thank you guys for watching. Let me just show you our previous badge that just left China, so you see that I'm not just saying things I don't know. Alright guys, so this was our last badge that just moved out of China. So you see, I'm not just saying something I don't know. So if you've not started yours, click on that link, come right there and start your own pre-order immediately. If you've not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Like this video because I'll be showing more videos on how to, improve and how to create and how to continue with a successful pre-order business. You can see it's our last 36 cartons, so it's not audio. We are real, we are legit, and I'm telling you what works. So if you don't have capital or more, no more delay, no more excuse. If you don't have money, if you don't have capital, start a business that works. Start business that work and thank me later. All right. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not. See ya.